Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you a program that we are going to crack this MI box. And for cracking, I'm using this keyboard, mouse, and USB hub. But after cracking this MI box, everyone will be able to install all the other apps in the Play Store. So it will be very easy for them. We can use this Android box as a Android PC, and this cracking system is very safe. In this video I'm going to show you how can you safely crack your MI box, and you can use all the others apps from Play Store. Okay, let's start it. First we have to click in the get more apps, then search. In the search we have to write X-plore file manager, then click to the icon, then click in install, click in open. After that we have to allow the permission, click in allow. Then in the left web storage, add server, select Google Drive, add the account, Gmail account obviously, then click the email account. Here I'm already uploaded a APK file called Google Chrome, so I installing it. Already installed. After installing, accept and continue. Next, click continue. Type downloader APK Pure from APK Pure website. You can install Google Drive APK. Download APK, just 24 Mbps. Then OK. Click OK. It's downloading. Click in the downloads. Click in the APK file that you downloaded right now. Install. Then a settings menu will come. In there you have to give permission install unknown apps to Google Chrome. Okay, it's done. App installed. Now again click the apps. From there get more apps. It's the Google Play Store. So click the search button. Search Hull Launcher, HAL Hull Launcher. Click it, install it. For installing this Hull Launcher, you can saw all the install apps in the menu. For show all apps, so you can see all the apps you install from Google Chrome. In here click the keyboard icon. Then there a menu will come. Select Hull Launcher, not the Google not show all the apps. Then select always. Now you can install all the apps and see all the apps. Thank you for. One thing I forgot to tell, I pre-downloaded the APK file into my Google Drive, and from Google Drive I download back to my MI box. So keep remember, you have to download the APK Google Chrome file from your Google Drive.